Okay, so what if we're given 2 points instead of a point and a slope? You will still use point-slope form, okay? You're just going to use your 2 points, find the slope, which is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then you're going to find the slope, and then you're going to plug it in with one of your points into the point-slope formula, which is still y minus y1 equals x minus, or m times x minus x1. Okay? So we're still going to do that. Let's do this. So let's do the odds together here. So my first step when given 2 points is to find the slope. Remember, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? So m equals y2 minus y1, negative 1 minus 7 over 1 minus negative 3. Negative 1 minus 7 is negative 8. Minus minus turns into a plus. 1 plus 3 is 4. Negative 8 divided by 4 is negative 2. So there's my slope. I have my m, which is good. Thumbs up for that. So m, now we just pick one of these 2 points. It doesn't matter what point you pick. Okay. Alright, so now we have our slope, and we pick one of these points, it doesn't matter which one, and we plug it in. So, I'm going to use the first one, because I like to use the first one. So, y minus 7 equals negative 2, x minus negative 3. Okay, minus minus makes plus, distribute, y minus 7 equals negative 2x, negative 2 times positive 3 is negative 6, add 7, y equals negative 2x plus 1. And that's it. So, let's do number 9. Find the slope first. Negative 6 minus negative 1 over 4 minus 2. Minus minus makes plus. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's our slope. Take this, and I always use the first one, like I said before. Pick whichever one you want. I'm going to do this one. Y minus negative 1 equals negative 5 over 2 times x minus 2. Minus minus makes plus. Distribute. Y plus 1 equals negative 5 over 2x. I'm going to use that trick we showed you before. 2 divided by 2 is 1, times 5 is 5, and it's a negative times a negative, so it's going to be a positive 5. And I'm going to subtract 1 to get y by itself. Negative 5 halves x plus 4. And that's it. Okay. We have one more to do. Find the slope. M equals negative 1 minus negative 3, negative 4 minus negative 6. Makes a plus, makes a plus. Negative 1 plus 3 is the same as 3 minus 1, which is 2. Negative 4 plus 6 is the same as 6 minus 4, which is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. This is going to be super easy. Alright, and now we plug them in. So, use this one. Y minus negative 3 equals 1 times x minus negative 6. Plus, plus, distribute, y plus 3 equals, well, anything times 1 is just going to be that thing, so this is still x plus 6, because 1 times x is x, 1 times 6 is 6, okay? Now I want to get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 3. Y equals x plus 3. And that's it. Now you can try the practice quiz problems on your own.